Okay, hi, my name is Jesus Ek. I'm from Belize, Corozal, San Narciso. I help coaching summer camps, and I managed to get a manual from Collins Schmitz, coaching cards and instructional booklet, which is very useful. I went through it and I found out very valuable information. I think that this booklet can enhance many people who have never coached a team. It can help teachers, parents, students to easy go over practices, sessions, and coaching children, even those people who have never done coaching in soccer. It is well explanatory, it is simple, so I believe this is one of the valuable tools that anybody should, if not must, if available. I believe that it's very good for each and everyone who is willing to join this task of serving children, to learn more about them. People can be a parent, can be a teacher, can be a new coach who has never seen or used cards. It is very simple, it is straightforward, and with the assistance of a coach, which a senior coach can go over this booklet. Okay, thank you very much, Collins, and I seek to see more of these booklets very soon from you, especially from Zach. Okay, so we thank you here in Belize, and I am sure, I am positive that we're going to get more of these copies so that I can share it with the rest of my Belizeans. So once more, thank you very much.